I'm Lance Taylor, Director of Operations at CEI Bookstore and Truth Publications. I want to thank you for your interest in our bookstore and also for your purchase of this flash drive. I want to give you a short tutorial of what's on the flash drive and also tell you a little bit more about our organization. Of course, as a nonprofit organization, our mission is to publish material that teaches the Word of God as revealed in the Bible. It's very important to us to get this material out into as many places as we possibly can, and we use a number of different avenues to make that happen. I want to tell you about a few of those. One is our magazine. Each month we produce Truth Magazine, and we would invite you to become a subscriber. You can subscribe to the physical copy of the magazine or the digital copy of Truth Magazine at our website. We also produce psalms, hymns, and spiritual songs, one of the newest hymnals on the market, and I believe you'll find it's an excellent collection of songs. Very careful attention was paid to the selection of these songs and the editing of these songs to make it very user-friendly, but also very meaningful for your worship. So we want to invite you to take a look closely at psalms, hymns, and spiritual songs. We also have Truth Commentaries. This set of commentaries has been published for many years and been an excellent resource for Bible study. We're in the middle of putting these into new covers to bring them to a more modern look and design, and because of that we have some excellent deals on the older style classic cover versions of Truth Commentaries. So check that out as well. We also have excellent resources for workbooks for personal study and study in your congregation. Among these are the Truth in Life series with topical studies, and also the Bible textbook series that goes book by book through the Bible, Genesis to Revelation. Also among our workbook series is the Discovering God's Way series. These are really geared toward our elementary and high school students, the young people, but also are good for adult studies as well. And there's an array of topics that's covered that takes you all the way through the Bible, and there's excellent work done in the Discovering God's Way series. And last but not least, I want to mention the Waldron series of books. Bob and Sandra Waldron have put some excellent workbooks together that have been published for many years, and we're happy to bring those to you. A number of these we've also revamped and made them a little easier to use and modernized, and we would invite you to take a look at these. These are great for study in your congregation, for personal study, and also for homeschool use. And so we want you to take a real good look at the Waldron series of books. And to bring you back around to the flash drive, that's why you've made this purchase. You'll find on your flash drive several links to our websites. You'll see the PDF files that will direct you to truthbooks.com, to the Truth Magazine section, and other information about some of our top products. And then also you'll find a zip file containing the audio files of 2018 Truth Lectures. And so we want to invite you to open all that up and make use of these resources, and let us know if there's any other way that we can serve you. We want to thank you again for your purchase and your interest in CEI Bookstore and Truth Publications.